What's the meaning of culminate? Culminate. Culminate.
Culminate. Culminate. The word culminate refers to the point of highest or final development, or the climax of a process or event. The result of culminating is the achievement of a long-term goal or the completion of a significant task, often marked by a sense of momentousness or satisfaction. This can be seen in various contexts such as a sports tournament culminating in a final match, a school year culminating in graduation, or a project culminating in a successful outcome. Overall, culminating connotes an end goal or apex of achievement through continuous effort and perseverance.